Hi there, today we're going to make a cheese steak. Are you hungry for a cheese steak? Well, I am too, but we're not going to eat it on a roll today. We're going to eat it on a salad. We're going to make a cheese steak salad. Try this. Come on up, I'll show you the ingredients. Alright, the ingredients that we're using here all seem to be local to our area. I'm going to use Steak-umm sliced steaks. And we're going to fry these up in a frying pan, break them up in little pieces. These are from Shillington, PA. That's where my mom is from. Okay, next we're going to use some nice fresh mushrooms. These are also from the Reading area. And then I'm going to use a nice Vidalia. I don't know where that came from. Some nice fresh lettuce to start our salad. And we're going to use some cherry tomatoes, some double cheddar shredded cheese, and our favorite steak sauce, Talarico's. This is from the Bethlehem area, right up the road from us. So I'm going to start out by slicing up some onions and the mushrooms. And then we're going to put the steak meat in the pan with the mushrooms and the onions. Okay, I have the mushrooms and the onions chopped up for you. I left the mushrooms very thick because, you know, they shrink so much, and I want something substantial on the salad. In the pan, the pan's warming up, and then I'm going to take the cheese, I'm going to take the steak meat, which comes in a brick. And I don't know how you usually handle these, but what I do, separate them, and I break them into thirds. And as you get them in there, the meat starts to sizzle because there's a little fat in the meat. I don't usually add any olive oil or anything like that. Just big pieces that are going to be easy to cook. I don't want it to be staying in one big piece. And if you break them up when they're still frozen, it's so much easier. It doesn't take long to thaw them out. Alright, we'll let that start to warm up, and then we'll stir in some sauce. I'll be right back. Okay, you can see now the cooking is taking place, and the meat is shrinking up, the mushrooms are shrinking up, and it's going to be a nice topper for a salad. A lot of our viewers ask for recipes that have low carbs. Here we have a cheese steak being made without the roll, and that takes away a lot of the carbs that you would normally eat with that. Okay, we're going to let this simmer a little bit longer before I add the sauce. Flip over here and get the salad ready. I already got the lettuce ready, as you know, so we're just going to spread out some tomatoes. Okay, so we'll be all ready to add the topping. Alright, we're going to use the nice Philly style steak sauce. Okay, while the meat is still simmering, I'm going to add some of the sauce. Just a little. Give it some flavor, because we're also going to put this on top. Okay, here we go. Get it all incorporated. Just enough to get the nice flavor of the tomato sauce all spread across the meat and mushrooms. Oh boy, it's looking good. I'm just going to tilt the pan a little bit to the side to drain off a little of the fat of the meat before I top it on the salad. And I'm just going to put one of my frying pans under to let that extra fat drain off. And while that's happening, I'm going to take a couple handfuls of shredded cheddar cheese, double cheddar that is, on top of this. Okay, I'm just going to put a lid over it to let the cheese start melting. Alright, now the cheese is nicely melted. So we're going to scoop it off. Oh, look at that. Get it right on top of the salad. Oh, is that beautiful? Okay. Let me add add a little bit of extra cheese so that all the parts are covered, because you might want to share this salad with someone. You want to make sure everybody gets nice amount of cheese, and that's always nice topper on a salad anyway. I'm going to top off a nice little ring of sauce on top of this. Will act as a salad dressing for your cheesesteak salad. Wow, what do you think of that? Here's a suggestion for a nice low-carb meal and a great way to get a salad at the same time. Try this if you're looking for something different to eat while you're off of work or for a nice weekend lunch. Thanks for watching.